newly installed Mercedes Benz Towbar. I believe there are no screws required on the side because the Towbar will fit in just nicely, and that's just how it's done these days. To install the Towbar, just pull this ring out, pull this bolt off, pull this out. Now slide the Towbar in, like that. Put the bolt in the hole, like that. And clip on, and that's it. Now look at this. That is perfectly, according to Mercedes, that is perfectly acceptable movement in a Towbar. Now to demonstrate, this is a bike rack on the Towbar. So Mercedes decided maybe it's not good enough, and maybe there needs to be a screw put into the side of the Towbar. Mercedes Benz quality control, in fact. My, there's a second screw. That's one, that's the other.